What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back with another profit or loss video. Selling the 1983 Mercedes 240D for big profits. No, not really. Not big, not really. But we're going to talk about it anyway. Okay, so here's the deal on the Mercedes. That car, if it had been at the right auction, I think that car could have done a lot better than it did. That was not the right auction for it. You know, that car probably would have been better on like Cars and Bids or Barrett Jackson. That car wasn't quite ready for Barrett Jackson, but I think that car could have brought a whole lot more than what it actually brought. So let's get into it. We had a total investment, and this is going to blow y'all's minds. We had a total investment into that car of $3,874.94. How? Tires, I think, were like $400 just for the tires. Then we did the oil change and the tire installation, and I bought the tires separately. So the paint job was $825, I think. The car itself was $2,200. You know, by the time we were done, we ended up having $3,874.94 into the car. Now, we sold that at Insurance Auto Auctions. It actually just sold, and it sold for $1,826 for a loss of $2,048.94. Yeah. Yep, we lost $2,048.94 on the 83 Mercedes 240D. I feel like it should have sold for way more than that. Way more. And that car was in way too good a shape to have sold for $1,800. But it is what it is. So let's talk about YouTube revenue, because that's how we always come back. Okay, we come back from the negative side by offsetting it with the YouTube side. And whether you agree with how I'm doing that or not doesn't matter, because at the end of the year, that is how the IRS looks at it. The IRS is going to look at all of my negatives, they're going to look at all of my positives, and then they're going to subtract those two numbers. What's left is the profit that they charge me taxes on. That's how the government works, and that's how I'm going to do these videos. Let's keep it 100% real here. All right. Video number 1 on the Mercedes, where I introduced it, did $1,038.81. Video number 2 did $1,040.94. The video number 1 was the introduction. Video 2 is where we, you know, fixed everything wrong. We took down there, did the filters and all that stuff. Video number 3, and this is the part I almost hate doing this video yet, because we're not quite done with video number 3 yet. It hasn't made what it's going to make. We just published the video, not even a few days ago, of the Mercedes coming back from paint. And in those few days, the video has done $487.20. But what can I do? I'm posting these videos now, so we're just going to run with those numbers. With those numbers, YouTube made $2,563.95. Okay, so you take $2,563.95 and you subtract that from, or you take, yeah, whatever. You take $2,048.94 of a loss. You subtract that from the $2,563.95 profit you end up with. I'll wait for you guys. Go ahead. Go ahead. No? I'll do the math for you. $515.01. Now, that one, as I said, was very disappointing. Very disappointing. I expect, since the videos seem to do just around $1,000 each, that this third video will eventually hit the $1,000 mark. I do believe it will, at which point we'll make about $1,000. Then there's this video, which we obviously don't count because we're doing the video of the profit or loss. So who's to say how much we're really going to make? But as of today, as of this day right here, we are up $515.01. Now, was it worth it? The answer to that is absolutely not. Absolutely not. I have made more money on cars that I did nothing to other than buy them, make a video, and throw them right back into auction and make a profit. Okay? So for the amount of labor, work, effort that went into this car, it was 100% not worth it at this point. At least not to me. Not for $500. Now, if that video that's a few days old comes in and brings it over $1,000, then yeah, I'm gonna say it was worth it. But for $500, not a chance, man, not a chance. But it happens, you know. You win some, you lose some. At least we're on the plus side on this one. Okay, we made a profit. That's really, at the end of the day, all that matters. Don't forget, this video here has yet to be dropped, and this video, you know, might do $400 or $500 on its own as well. So at that point, the video series brings in $1,000 or so profit. then yeah, absolutely worth it every time. Somebody got a great deal on that car. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You could get in that car and you could drive it wherever you wanted to go, and I have no doubt that that car would be just fine. You could drive it across the country and it would most likely make it with very little to no issue at all. So somebody stole that car for $1,800. I'm going to get out of here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, well, go ahead and hit that thumbs down button. Drop those comments down below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.